Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook chicken and broccoli stir fry. Okay, these are all the ingredients. Chicken breast fillet. And then our sauce, we need 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce, uh 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And then for the marination of the chicken, we need 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 4 teaspoon of baking soda, 4 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. What is this? And then 1.5 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce, and then white pepper at 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Okay, so this is sugar. What is this? This one is the oyster sauce, 1.5 teaspoon for the marination of the chicken. Okay, and then next is white pepper, 1 teaspoon, and then dark soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoon, and then baking soda, 1 teaspoon, and then 1 teaspoon sugar. And then first we're gonna mix it first. And then we're gonna add olive oil, 4 teaspoon of olive oil, and then 4 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, next, 1 teaspoon white sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and 1.5 teaspoon of oyster sauce. We need also onions, ginger, garlic, and then broccoli. So first, we gonna fry this ginger first. And then add the broccoli for 10 seconds only. Okay, first. Water, oil. We gonna the stir fry the garlic. Fry the garlic first, or saute the garlic. And then saute the onions. And then we're gonna add the sauce that we made. And then we're gonna add 1/3 cup of water. Okay. Chicken is soft, okay? We're gonna simmer for a few minutes. Look at our chicken and broccoli stir fry. It's done. But I'm going to add the broccoli now. I'm gonna off the heat. And then I'm gonna add the broccoli. Okay, guys. Okay, I have to get. Okay, guys, our chicken and broccoli stir fry is done. Okay, let's taste. And I'm gonna taste the broccoli also. I just want the small one. Okay. Mm. Mm. That's yummy. Okay, guys. Okay, yummy. The broccoli is very crunchy. It's not overcooked. Okay, guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, personal blog, Facebook page, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.